It's 4:30. Had a full day with the equipment. Cleared out all the stumps through here. Made my way all the way up to the easement there. Cleared out a lot of that and burn already. Right up here I've got a big stack there, which I'm going to kind of leave for burn the rest of my stumps. But then I've got about 15 foot at the road. Clear a few more stumps this way, and then the big trees come down. That one, that dead one, possibly that big oak, definitely that oak, and that oak. And then we've got that side there to clear out there. And we about got her whooped. All I can say is this old Takahauchi 290 does work.